Hey everyone, welcome to today's live session by Simplilearn. I would like to thank all of you for actively participating in these live sessions on YouTube and Facebook. In this session, we will learn about the top deep learning projects for building different beginner and advanced level projects. We'll look at how to build deep learning models and create sophisticated applications. So, let's wait for a while for people to join in. Meanwhile, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please make sure to subscribe to it now and stay updated with all the latest videos on our channel. I can see a lot of people have joined in, so let's begin. First, let's understand what is deep learning. Deep learning is a type of machine learning and is a subfield of artificial intelligence that uses vast volumes of data to learn and train systems by examples. Artificial neural networks forms the core of deep learning. It is structured to function like the human brain. Deep learning architectures such as deep neural networks, deep belief networks, recurrent neural networks, and convolutional neural networks have been applied to fields such as computer vision, speech recognition, natural language processing, image recognition, social network filtering, machine translation, bioinformatics, medical image analysis, and video games. Now, let's talk about our first deep learning project. We have image classification using the CIFAR-10 dataset. Now, this dataset was created by the Canadian Institute for Advanced Research. The CIFAR-10 dataset contains 60,000 32x32 color images in 10 different classes. The 10 different classes are airplanes, cars, birds, cats, deer, and others, which you can see on the screen. There are 6,000 images of each class. Now there are 50,000 training images and 10,000 test images. You can build a convolutional neural network model using the Keras library to classify each image into a category. So it is more of an image recognition kind of a project that is recommended for beginners who are new to deep learning. The next project in our list is brain tumor detection. Such projects are heavily used in the healthcare industries for detecting diseases before they occur. Brain tumors are the consequence of abnormal growths and uncontrolled cell division in the brain. They can lead to death if they are not detected early and accurately. Brain tumors can be classified into two types, benign and malignant. Deep learning can help radiologists in tumor diagnostics without invasive measures. A deep learning algorithm that has achieved significant results in image segmentation and classification is the convolutional neural network. It can be used to detect a tumor through brain using magnetic resonance imaging or MRI. Image pixels are first fed as input to the CNN. Softmax fully connected layers are used to classify the images. The accuracy of the convolutional neural network can be obtained with the radial basis function classifier. Next, we have Anna chatbot. Now this chatbot is the world's first open source conversation platform which comes with a graphical chart flow designer and chat simulator. Its supported channels are web chat, Android, iOS, and Facebook Messenger. The Anna chatbot is available to answer your questions 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. Anna is free for personal and commercial use. With the Anna Studio, server, simulator, and SDK, which is software development kit, your development time is cut from days to hours. Using Anna, you can create chatbots to suit your needs. Chatbots play an important role in customer support for an e-commerce website. You can share real-time order and shipping updates, personalized product recommendations, and targeted offers within the conversation. Similarly, automobile brands, showrooms, and service centers can use a chatbot for lead generation, scheduling test drives, and roadside assistance. You can check the GitHub repository that's on the screen to know more about working on this project. The next project we have in deep learning is image captioning. Now, image captioning is the process of generating textual description of an image. It uses both methods from computer vision to understand the content of the image and a language model from the field of natural language processing to turn the understanding of the image into words in the right order. Microsoft has built its own caption bot where you can upload an image or the URL of an image and it will display the textual description of the image. On the screen, you can see we have the picture of Elon Musk, and the caption bot has generated a description that says, I think it's Elon Musk wearing a suit and a tie, and he seems. It ends with an emoticon. Another such application that suggests a perfect caption and best hashtags for a picture is Caption AI. Automatic image caption generation software can be built using recurrent neural networks and long short-term memory networks or LSTMs. Now, we have image colorization as our next project. Image colorization has seen significant advancements using deep learning. Image colorization is the process of taking an input of a grayscale image and then producing an output of a colored image or a colorized image. Colorization is a highly undetermined problem that requires mapping a real valued luminance image to a three-dimensional colored value one that has not a unique solution. ChromaGAN is an example of a picture colorization model. A generative network is framed in an adversarial model that learns to colorize by incorporating perceptual and semantic understanding of color and class distributions. The model is trained using a fully supervised strategy. If you want to implement ChromaGAN, check the GitHub link that's on the screen below. Next in our list of projects we have OpenNMT machine translation. OpenNMT is an open source ecosystem for neural machine translation and neural sequence learning. It started in December 2016 by the Harvard NLP Group and Sistran. The project has since been used in several research and industry applications. Neural machine translation or NMT is a new methodology for machine translation that has led to significant improvements, particularly in terms of human evaluation, compared to rule-based and statistical machine translation systems. OpenNMT provides implementations in two popular deep learning frameworks, PyTorch and TensorFlow. Please feel free to refer to the below GitHub link to learn more about neural machine translation. Now, we have music generation. Using deep learning, it is possible for a machine to learn the notes, structures, and patterns of music and start producing music automatically. Music 21 is a Python toolkit used for computer-aided musicology. It allows us to teach the fundamentals of music theory, generate music examples, and study music. The toolkit provides a simple interface to acquire the music notation of MIDI files, which stands for Musical Instrument Digital Interface. Using WaveNet architecture and long short-term memory networks, you can generate music without human intervention. Amper Music, MuBut, and JukeDeck produce smart music powered by deep learning algorithms. Then we have AlphaGo. Now AlphaGo was created by Google DeepMind and is the first computer program to defeat a professional human Go player. AlphaGo's algorithm uses a combination of machine learning and tree search techniques combined with extensive training both from human and computer play. It uses Monte Carlo tree search guided by a value network and a policy network, both implemented using deep neural network technology. AlphaGo was initially trained to mimic human play by attempting to match the moves of expert players from recorded historical games. It was done using a database of around 30 million moves. Once it had reached a certain degree of proficiency, by being set to play large number of games against other instances of itself, using reinforcement learning to improve its play. Next in our list of projects we have DeepDream. DeepDream is a computer vision program which uses a convolutional neural network to find and enhance patterns in images via algorithmic pareidolia. It then creates a dream-like hallucinogenic appearance in the overprocessed images. DeepDream is an experiment that visualizes the patterns learned by a neural network. Similar to when a child watches clouds and tries to interpret random shapes, DeepDream overinterprets and enhances the patterns it sees in an image. Do check the given GitHub link to install dependencies listed in the notebook and play with the code locally. Then we have DeepVoice. DeepVoice was developed by Baidu, which is an AI system that can clone an individual's voice. The trained model takes just 3 seconds to replicate the output of a person's voice. DeepVoice 3 is a fully convolutional attention-based neural text-to-speech system that converts text to spectrograms or other acoustic parameters to be used with an audio waveform synthesis method. Below you can find the GitHub link for PyTorch implementation of convolutional networks based text-to-speech synthesis models. Now we have IBM Watson. IBM Watson helps run machine learning models anywhere across any cloud. Using IBM Watson machine learning, you can build analytical models and neural networks trained with your own data that you can deploy for use in applications. With its open, extensible model operation, Watson machine learning helps businesses simplify and harness AI at scale across any cloud. It is used in healthcare, teaching assistant, chatbot, as well as for weather forecasting. And finally, in our list of deep learning projects, we have the YOLO real-time object detection. You only look once, or YOLO, is a state-of-the-art real-time object detection system. It frames object detection in images as a regression problem to spatially separated bounding boxes and associated class probabilities. Using this approach, a single neural network divides the image into regions and predicts bounding boxes and probabilities for each region. The neural network predicts bounding boxes and class probabilities directly from full images in one evaluation. The base YOLO model processes images in real time at 45 frames per second. You can use the COCO dataset and TensorFlow library to train and test the model. To learn more about YOLO object detection, check the GitHub link that's shown on the screen below. With that, we have covered our top deep learning projects. If you have any questions related to the projects we have covered, then please put it in the chat section. Our team will help you solve your queries. Now, let me tell you how Simplilearn can help you grow your career in deep learning and artificial intelligence and make you implement some of these projects that we have discussed in this video. Now, this is the Simplilearn's website, and on the search bar, let me look for deep learning. Now, Simplilearn has a wide range of courses. I'll show you the first two courses. The first course we have is Deep Learning course with Keras and TensorFlow. Now, this is co-developed with IBM. If I scroll down, you can see the key features of this course. It has 32 hours of blended learning, real-life industry-based projects, 24/7 support with dedicated project mentoring sessions, flexibility to choose classes. Now on the right you can see the skills that will be covered as part of this course. So you learn Keras and TensorFlow framework, PyTorch and its elements, image classification, artificial neural networks, autoencoders, deep neural networks. You have recurrent neural networks as well. Now here you can see the benefits of taking this deep learning course. If I scroll further, here you can see the entire course content. So lesson 1, it's a welcome session. Lesson 2, you'll learn about an introduction to TensorFlow. Then you will cover convolutional neural networks. You also have restricted Boltzmann machine or RBM, autoencoders. Then in section 2 you have deep learning with Keras and TensorFlow. These are live classes. Now along with this course you also get free course math refresher and deep learning fundamentals. If I scroll down, these are the two projects. One is PUBG players finishing placement prediction and the other is lending club loan data analysis. Now this is the certificate that you will receive after completing the course. So please go ahead and enroll to this course if you want to start your career in deep learning. Now the next course we have is postgraduate program in AI and machine learning. This is in collaboration with IBM and in partnership with Purdue University. If I scroll down, here you can see the key features of this course. You have Purdue Alumni Association membership, industry recognized IBM certificate, enrollment to Simplilearn's Job Assist, 25 plus hands-on project on GPU enabled labs, 450 plus hours of blended learning. You also get to work on Caption project in 3 domains. Let me scroll further. So this is the Purdue certification that you will receive after finishing the course, and you also have the opportunity to get this IBM certificate. By enrolling to this course, you can also get the advantage of Simplilearn Job Assist program. So you will get IIM Jobs Pro membership for 6 months. Now below are the program details. So this PG program covers Python for data science with Python, machine learning, deep learning with TensorFlow and Keras, advanced deep learning and computer vision. You will also learn natural language processing and speech recognition. There's reinforcement learning, and you can also select a few electives. We have IBM Watson for chatbots, machine learning with R, Git and GitHub training, and others. Here are the skills that will be covered. So you will learn about statistics, Python, supervised learning, NLP, GANs, TensorFlow, computer vision, ensemble learning, and lots more. Now here you can see the tools that will be covered, and these are the projects that you will get to work on once you enroll to this course. So this is a Twitter project using NLP, help Zomato predict rating from the review, fare prediction for Uber. Then you have another project on Mercedes-Benz. Now you can see the course advisor for this course. So please go ahead and enroll to this postgraduate program if you really want to build your career in AI and machine learning. With that, we have come to the end of this live session by Simplilearn. I hope it was informative and useful. If you think we missed out on any important projects in deep learning, then please feel free to put it in the comment section of the video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and keep learning.